Hey champion, welcome to this channel where your financial destiny is reborn. Listen closely, money is not luck, it's not magic. It's a system, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make more money even if you are broke. You may be struggling now, but your story is about to change. I know what it means to hustle from zero, to pray, to feel stuck, but the truth is anyone can rise if they understand how money works and how to make it flow. This is not theory, this is tested, proven, and this is practical. So let's go in straight and deal with the roots. Many people are broke, not just because money is scarce, but because their strategy is very weak. So here are 5 reasons why people stay poor in a world that is full of abundance, a world that is full of money. 1, there is no value in the marketplace. If nobody is paying you, you are not solving a painful problem. 2, you are emotionally attached to one source of income. Your job is not your savior. Your job is just one pipe that the money flows. 3, you wait for miracles instead of crafting solutions. Yes, we know God blesses, but God will always bless the works of your hands. 4, you are trained to spend, not trained to earn. What schools taught you is algebra, not abundance. That's the reason why you must retain your mind. 5, you don't study money making like a student. What you don't know, you can't grow. So here are 3 spiritual and practical principles that will attract money to you. 1, the value principle. Money will always chase value. When you become valuable, you become visible. In order to achieve this, you must learn a skill, improve that skill, package that skill, and sell that skill. 2, the multiplication principle. Don't spend all you earn, multiply what you earn. And to achieve this, you must save 20% of your income, reinvest in learning or a side hustle. Let your money become a soldier. To achieve this, first, you must learn how to save 20% of your income. Secondly, you will learn how to reinvest in learning or in side hustle. Thirdly, let your money become a soldier. The third principle is the law of use. What you can't use, you lose. And to achieve this principle, you must learn how to use what you have. Use your hands, use your legs, use your brain. 2, create something. Something like content, clothing, bags, shoes, craft, coding. God gives us power to make wealth. So these are 5 ways you can start making money from today. 1, sell what you know. How do you achieve this? Teach online. Tutor students. Hold WhatsApp classes. Teach on topics like graphic designing, topics like digital marketing, topics like baking, makeup, hairdressing, and many other topics you can teach on. 2, sell what you have. Clothes, books, electronics. Use your WhatsApp status. Use GG. Use different online platforms to advertise what you have. 3, learn high income skills. Skills like affiliate marketing, copywriting, graphic designing, social media management. 4, provide a service. Services like laundry, services like home cooking, services like errand personality, services like typing job, services like cleaning, and many other services you can apply. 5, you can work online. You can work with Upwork, Fiverr, do some remote jobs. Start with what you know and grow into more. Money does not fall from heaven. It flows from one hand to another because of service. And here are the things you must do in order to grow your money flow. Step 1, make money from one source. Here you can use your phone to sell. You can use your hand to serve. Step 2, use part of the money to start something small. You can start digital marketing. You can have a physical shop where you make physical sales. You can partner with others. Step 3, you build a system. In the system, you automate, you delegate, and you duplicate. You are not broke. You are just untapped. Unpack your gift. To make more money, you must think differently. Poor mindset will always think, I need help. Rich mindset will always think, I create help. Poor mindset will always say, I am waiting. Rich mindset will always say, I am working. Poor mindset will always think, it's too late. Rich mindset will always think, today is a gift that I must use to be productive. Affirm this with me right now. I am a solution, not a liability. Money comes to me because I provide value. I multiply what I have until it overflows. My brother, my sister, you want to make more money? You must do what others refuse to do. Learn, create, build, and grow. You are not too poor to start. You are too passive to start. Start now with what is in your hands, with what is in your heart, and with what is in your house. Money is attracted to those who move, not to those who mourn. Comment below. I start with what I have. Like this video now so that more people will see it. And subscribe now because we are building 1 billion wealth creators around the globe.